Did you know that Apple has been releasing new iPhone models every year since 2007? That means the iPhone 17 is the latest in a long line of innovations. The iPhone 17 is finally here, and I'm super excited to share my thoughts on this highly anticipated device. As you know, the iPhone series has always been a benchmark for smartphones, and this new iteration is expected to take things to the next level. We've all been there, struggling with our previous iPhone models, dealing with mediocre battery life, limited storage, and cameras that just couldn't keep up with the competition. I mean, who hasn't experienced the frustration of running out of storage, space, or dealing with a battery that drains way too fast? It's like you're in the middle of a crucial task, and suddenly your phone just dies on you. It's annoying, to say the least. And don't even get me started on the cameras. I mean, we've seen some significant improvements over the years, but there's always been that one thing that's been lacking. Whether it's low-light performance, zoom quality, or just overall image processing, there's always been room for improvement. But I'm getting ahead of myself. The point is, we've all had our fair share of issues with previous iPhone models, and it's about time we got an upgrade that truly addresses these problems. But the question is, has Apple finally listened to our concerns? Have they managed to overcome the limitations of their previous devices and create something truly remarkable? I've spent some quality time with the iPhone 17, and I have to say, I'm impressed. There are some significant upgrades across the board, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. The iPhone 17 boasts an incredible new camera system, with improved low-light performance, enhanced zoom capabilities, and advanced image processing that makes your photos look stunning. But that's not all. The battery life has also seen a significant bump, with Apple claiming it can last up to 20% longer than its predecessor. And let's not forget about the new software innovations that make this device feel faster and more responsive than ever before. But the one feature that really caught my attention is the new AI-powered assistant. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your phone, allowing you to perform complex tasks with ease. Imagine being able to send emails, schedule meetings, and even make calls just by using your voice. It's incredibly convenient and feels like a game changer. The AI-powered assistant is truly the star of the show here, and I think it's going to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. Imagine being able to control your entire phone just by using your voice. It's like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. But what really gets me excited is the potential implications of this technology. I mean, imagine being able to control your entire home just by using your voice, turning on lights, adjusting the thermostat, and even locking your doors. It's like having your own personal butler right at your fingertips. So what are the key takeaways from the iPhone 17? In my opinion, it's a significant upgrade over its predecessor, with major improvements in camera quality, battery life, and software performance. And let's not forget about that incredible AI-powered assistant. It's truly a game changer. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts on the iPhone 17, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to see more tech reviews and comparisons, be sure to check out my other videos.